Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will share 10 great herbs for faster and thicker hair growth. 1. Peppermint. Peppermint strengthens and repairs scalp and all your hair issues. It adds a cooling sensation to your scalp to soothe a sunburned scalp and boost circulation for thicker hair growth. Use a few drops of peppermint essential oil to any carrier oil like coconut oil or castor oil, and use it to massage your scalp before you wash your hair. 2. Bringraj. Bringraj is well-known Ayurvedic herb, is used extensively by Indian women to treat hair loss and boost hair growth. This herb is popularly used as Bringraj oil for the Ayurvedic treatment of itchy and dry scalp. How to use: you can easily prepare Bringraj oil at home. You need a handful of Bringraj leaves that serves as the main ingredient while making this oil. Add chopped Bringraj leaves to a cup of heated coconut oil. In case you don't have leaves, you may use around 3 teaspoons Bringraj powder. Heat them together on low flame for a while and turn off the heat. Massage your hair with this oil, leave it on for at least 2 hours, and then shampoo. 3. Lavender oil. Lavender oil helps nourish and boost blood circulation to the dormant hair follicles, thereby promoting the luxurious growth of hair. You can add few drops of lavender essential oil to any carrier oil, and use it to massage your scalp to boost hair growth. 4. Amla. Amla purifies the blood and enhances hair natural color by preventing premature graying of hair. It has antifungal and antiviral properties, which prevent dandruff and other fungal infections and improve scalp health. 5. Nettle. Nettle helps to soothe a dry itchy scalp, makes hair soft, and strengthens the roots. The herbs also prevent premature graying, promotes hair growth, fights dandruff, makes hair soft and bouncy. Boil nettle leaves in a cup of water, and use this water to rinse your hair. 6. Fenugreek. Fenugreek can reverse hair loss by promoting hair growth even in balding scalps. It also prevents hair fall to provide a total reduction in baldness. You can use fenugreek seeds or fenugreek powder in your hair care routine. 7. Brahmi. Brahmi leaves have alkaloids that activate the proteins to strengthen the hair shafts. Brahmi gives nourishment to the hair and stimulates hair growth. Derived from the Bacopa monnieri plant, Brahmi is in fact one of the best-known traditional Ayurvedic herbs to treat weak follicles and thinning hair. How to use: you need 2 tablespoons Brahmi powder and 100 milliliters sesame oil to make Brahmi oil. Mix the ingredients in a bowl and boil thoroughly, let the oil blend, cool down, and then transfer it to a clean bottle. Use this oil as a regular hair oil. 8. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera can help increase the blood circulation to the scalp to activate new hair growth. It contains proteolytic enzymes, vitamins, and nutrients known to support the repair of dead skin cells on the scalp. Use aloe vera gel as a hair mask, or make a hair oil using aloe vera gel. Aloe vera hair oil helps treat hair damage, hydrate dry scalp, prevent premature graying of hair, and treat hair loss. 9. Hibiscus. Hibiscus deeply conditions dry and damaged hair. Helps to strengthen, treats premature graying of hair, prevents hair from breakage resulting in long and strong hair. You can use hibiscus flowers and blend them with a little water to wash your hair naturally. You can also dry hibiscus flowers, blend the dry hibiscus to make a powder, and use the powder to make a hair mask along with a little yogurt. 10. Rosemary. Rosemary oil penetrates deep into hair follicles to deliver great benefits for shiny, healthy, and beautiful hair. You can easily reap the benefits of rosemary by incorporating rosemary oil or a rosemary mask in your regular hair care regime. Herbs are used extensively for treating a variety of hair problems. Please share in the comments if you have tried any of these herbs for your hair. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.